Hi, I'm David, and this is the Divi for Beginners course. Are you interested in creating great-looking websites quickly and efficiently? Then the Divi theme by Elegant Themes might be what you're looking for. I'm a firm believer in the philosophy that the best way to learn is by doing. So in this course, we will build a full website together from start to finish. This is the website we'll be building. It's for a fictional web design company called Blue Fox Web Design. But don't worry if you're not planning to start a web design company. The skills and techniques you'll learn in this course can be applied to any future websites you create. The homepage has a modern, clean design, with a hero section at the top of the page, a range of column structures throughout the page, and it utilizes a range of Divi modules, including dynamically displaying blog posts in a grid. It also features different scrolling animations and hover effects to keep the user engaged. The About Us page features a custom designed sidebar, as well as a text module and an accordion. The Portfolio page takes advantage of Divi's amazing pre-made layouts to produce some stunning results. I'll show you how to quickly and efficiently customize Divi's pre-made layouts to fit your brand. I'll show you how you can have an attractive modern blog which is easy to set up and maintain. On the contact page, we will go through step by step the process of adding a Google map to your website, as well as adding a fully functioning contact form. The secret to Divi's success is its visual builder. Websites can be built, edited and refined in the browser without touching any code. It's an incredibly fast, powerful and fun way to build websites. In this course I will be showing you many of the different features of the visual builder, as well as tips for speeding up your workflow. Here are just a few of the things you'll learn throughout this course. The basic structure of Divi pages, including sections, rows and modules, how to tweak the design of various Divi elements, how to copy design settings from one element to another, the ins and outs of many of Divi's modules, such as accordions, counters, headers and more, adding animations to your page to more effectively engage your visitors, general web design tips, how to source high-quality stock images and patterns for your project, adding hover effects to increase the interactivity of your website, using the Divi library to save you countless hours of work, how to implement a Google map, and much, much more. I have 6 years experience as a professional web designer and digital marketer, and I've been using Divi for over 3 years. I've used it on many real-world projects, and I love the way it allows me to rapidly create, refine, and test different designs all within the browser. It has saved me literally hundreds of hours of work. So are you ready to dive into our project and get started with the Divi theme by Elegant Themes? Complete your purchase and let's get started learning how to rapidly create beautiful, modern, responsive websites.